Now see students, exercise 1.1 will continue that. Third question, tick the figures, numerals or letters which are mirror images or reflections of each other. What you have to do, see here. Now if you hold this in front of your mirror, now suppose this figure is there, so in mirror you will get in this way, so this is the reflection. Okay, now this the same thing you will get, or what you have to check. Okay, so you check and then you tick. So this is not actually the mirror image. Okay, now here this is also not the mirror image. Okay, now this is the mirror image. Now this one, Q appears as P. This is also correct. So this is not the mirror image. Got it? 3 will not appear like this. Okay, it will appear somewhat like this, E. So got it? Now draw the reflection of each figure. So just you have to complete the circle. Okay, similar now this one, star. How it is now, left side the same way you have to perfectly you draw. I am drawing just rough. Now see here, just you have to join. Okay, in this way. Now patterns are found everywhere, right? Commonly patterns are made up of number, geometrical shapes, flowers. Now if you want to see the patterns, you can see in your house on the bed sheets, right? Different patterns are there, blankets. Okay, even the dress, different patterns are there on the dress. Zebra pattern, now see, such patterns are there, right? So these patterns attract you, right? Many cloths are there. So in this way, curtains also, see, many patterns are there on the curtain, right? Your window curtain is there at your house, just observe it carefully, number of patterns you will get. Now see, repeating patterns. In this pattern, shape and color change. See. So the core of repeating pattern is what? Smallest part that repeats. Smallest part that repeats. The core of the pattern is what? Yes, large red circle and large blue triangle. That is the pattern. So in this way it goes. First red circle, then blue triangle. Red circle, blue triangle. So this is the pattern. Got it? Now see, this is the box. What is the pattern? Increase in size. Now see this size, it's small, so it is little bit greater than this. So this is again greater than this. So this is the, so it is increase in size. Increase in numbers. Okay, these smileys are there. Okay, increase in number. Here 1, here 1 increase, 2, 1 increase, again 3. So 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Combination of patterns. Now see this pattern. Now in this way, right? Then again here the line is extended. So again this goes up. So this is the combination of pattern. Got it? Then change in direction. So this is one again pattern. Change in direction. It is here first, then it comes here, this side. Got it? So this is the direction change. Number pattern is there. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what is the pattern used? 10. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. The common differences was 15. So this is the pattern in number, right? Similarly, exercise is there. See, 1.2. Continue the following patterns. So these patterns will continue, right? First you will get L, then again, so it goes up. So this is a mirror image of this. Okay, so this is the mirrors of each other. Again this pattern will come again after L. After L what will come? This one again this one. Got it? F. This pattern is after F, this is the pattern. Okay, then again F, after F again you will continue this. Okay, arrow pointing east, then south, west, north, again east. So after east again what pattern is there? South. Got? Then what? West. Okay, now see the pattern here. Red box, or you can say red square, blue star, red square, blue star, red square, blue star, red square, blue star. So this pattern will continue. Now you see 1, then this 2, 1, 2, 3. Now first 1 is there and 1, 1 is added. Okay, then 2, 2 are added, 2, 2 are added. So the next pattern will be what? 3, 3 will be added. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in the next pattern what will come? Yes, 4, 4 will be added. 4 here, 4 here. Got it? Now see what is the pattern? Small, little greater, little greater. Okay, so the next figure will be greater than this. Again the last figure will be greater than this one. Okay, you do this. Now see the pattern. Circle, pink circle. So this is the box, right? Gray one. Again pink circle is there. Again one box is there. Plain figure is there. So after pink circle 2 are there. So you will draw again this one. So after this 2, the pink circle will be there, right? And after pink circle again this 2. So the pattern continues. Got it? Now see here. Pink, right? Sky blue, gray, again pink, pink, sky blue, gray, pink. After pink again what will come? Sky blue, green. That pattern will be continued. 6, 5, 4, right? 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4. This pattern will be continue again. Okay, so this you solve. Any problem is there, you can ask afterwards. Now see this pattern: A, B, C, C, A, right? A, B, C, C, A, or you can directly A, B, C, C is there. Again A, B, C, C, A. After A again B, C, C. So B, C, C. Again A, B, C, C. Got it? Identify the number pattern. See, number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there is a difference of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next number will be 12. Another will be 14. Now see 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Again is what? Difference is what? 2. So add, you have to add 2 here. The next number will be 27, then 29. Got it? Next one is see 48, 44, 40, 36, 32. So what is the pattern? 48 minus 4 is 44. 44 minus 4, 40. 40 minus 4, 36. 36 minus 4, 32. Now 32 minus 4 will be how much? 28. So 28 minus 4 will be how much? 24. In this way you have to see. Now 12 is there, see 15. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So addition of 3 pattern is there. So 24 plus 3 is how much? 27. 27 plus 3 will be 30. In this way you have to see. So here the difference is what? 5. So 35 will come here, 40. What? 27, 25. Now 27 minus 2, 25. 25 minus 2, 23. So the pattern here is what difference? Minus 2 is used in the pattern. So 19 minus 2 will be how much? 17. 17 minus 2, 15. Similarly 32 minus 2, 30. 30 minus 2. So minus 2 again here. 24 minus 2 is 22. 22 minus 2 will be 20. 40 minus 3 is how much? 37. 37 minus 3, 34. So what is the pattern? Minus 3. So 28 minus 3 will be how much? 25. 25 minus 3 will be how much? 22. Understood? So just complete in your classwork. Here only in textbook only you just fill. Okay.